Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Copilot, Supermaven, and Cursor. Copilot, Supermaven, and Cursor are AI tools designed to enhance productivity and coding. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant integrated into Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and Outlook. It helps users draft content, analyze data, and automate tasks using GPT models. Copilot boosts productivity by streamlining repetitive work and providing intelligent suggestions. However, it may occasionally produce inaccurate results in more complex tasks. On the other hand, Supermaven delivers lightning-fast, inline AI code completions that enhance coding efficiency. It is ideal for developers seeking a smooth, autopilot-like coding experience. The tool integrates seamlessly with popular IDEs like VS Code and IntelliJ. However, its support for programming languages is currently more limited than some alternatives. Meanwhile, Cursor is a user-friendly AI code assistant with seamless integration into coding environments. It provides real-time, context suggestions and offers an intuitive interface for developers. Although newer, Cursor is easy to use and enhances the coding experience for all developers. However, it may still lack some advanced features of more established tools. In my opinion, Copilot is best for coding, Supermaven for documentation, and Cursor for data science tasks. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.